Hi, trying to relax that you have almost cleared the interview and suddenly this question pops up. Well, I was super confused whether to praise myself at this point of time or to talk about my strengths and so on. No worries. Today we will discuss and see how we can answer this question. Before beginning, let's see how this question can be asked in different ways. Like, how are you different from others? How do you think you are suitable for this job? Why are you interested in this job? Why do you want this job? Why do you want to work here? And so on. So let's quickly see how we can derive an answer. This question will be asked almost at the end of the interview. And probably there could be thousands of applicants among which he has to pick 10 or 20. So now he wants to listen from you. How do you think that you stand out of such a huge crowd? So first thing that you have to do is refer to job description. Yes, there could be some skill set and requirements that is mentioned in job description which is matching your profile, and that's why you have got this call and you are facing this interview. So make sure to note all those points. I'll let you know how to use it in a sample answer quickly. And next is talk about your impact. Talk about how your presence to this project and the company would lead a positive impact. And then last tip is do not answer in generic way. For example, do not start your answer saying that you are the best fit or you are the best qualified and that's why you have to get this job. Do not show this kind of overconfidence which an interviewer is really not looking for. A small tip here is whichever question you are answering right from the beginning to the end of the interview, make sure you present your attitude in such a way that the interviewer gets a positive vibe from you and he would be reluctant to select you. So quickly, let's see how we can answer this question. So let's see a sample answer for experienced. Begin with, I would like to thank you for asking this question. Well, the kind of position that you're hiring for and my experience have most things in common. Like, now you can mention all the points that you have picked up from the job description that matches your profile. So you can talk about the learning, experience, and expertise over the tools, technologies, domain, process, or any other relevant point. And then you can say, which in turn could save time on training, and I would be able to begin work and adapt to new team easily. So this kind of will give a positive impact. Next, you can talk about your soft skills like your written, your communication, how team player you are, and so on. Also, this position requires soft skills. Having worked with such a large team, I could use those skills at my new workplace. If you have handled a team, say if you have been a TL or a PL, you can say, I have experience in handling a huge team, and so I could use those skills at my new workplace. And at last, you can talk about your achievements and other significant success that you have seen. It could be something which is out of your work, like some technical paper presentation or any other technical fest that you have attended, or if you are a part of, say, cultural team or social activities and so on. So make sure you answer in such a way and do not exceed more than a minute. Do not drag your answer. So now quickly, so let's see a sample answer for freshers. Definitely the answer for fresher would vary from experienced because freshers do not have experience on working on a real-time project. So you can also begin saying that I would like to thank you for asking this question. Well, I'm sound in technical and non-technical skills, which I would like to use and implement in the workplace. Here, you're trying to say how your qualification would give a positive impact on your workplace. Next, you can say, based on my research, the company is more into, say, cloud. Nowadays, most of the companies are trying to migrate to cloud, which attracts me more. And with the skill set that I have and the training that the company will provide, will definitely help me and the company grow. Next, you can talk about your achievements or any success that you have seen while doing your project in the final year or being part of any technical fest, cultural activities, and so on. And at last, you can talk about one or two positive or strengths that you have. I have made a video on that. You can find the link in the description. You can refer to it. Make sure you do not drag this answer for more than a minute. So I hope the content was helpful for both freshers and experienced. If so, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, see you in next video.